Hello, welcome to G-Lite concept. Today I'll be teaching you about the various paper sizes in CorelDRAW, how you can change your paper type and paper size. So to do that, this is our paper, different paper sizes we have them here. So you just click on this drop down arrow and this is A4, this is A3. You can see that the page has added and you can see the dimensions as 297.0 by 420.0 millimeters. You can the units of measurement, you can switch it here to inches, or you can switch it to feet, to yards, to miles, centimeters, to meters, etc. So you can click here again and change to A2, perfect for some big calendars and other purposes. You can see, come here and click on lega, mostly used for exercise book production. You can change it to landscape to design your work. We also have government lega. You can see use government lega. So these are so many paper types right here, depending on what you are looking at working on. A lot of them: photo card, full screen, web page, web banner. So many paper types here for you to work with: iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Mini, X, and so much. YouTube cover, Twitter post. So this is more of like a thumbnail. This is a thumbnail size. Maybe you don't know the thumbnail size. You don't need to go and Google. You just come to your CorelDRAW, select paper type, and check YouTube cover. So you can see this 2560.0 pixels by 1440.0 pixels, and you can always also change this to inches. If you need to get the size in inches, you can see now this is in inches, and you can change to feet. This is in feet. So this is how you change various paper types in paper sizes in CorelDRAW. Thank you.